Good day. Are you contemplating divorce from your spouse, but you are afraid and uncertain if it is the correct thing to do? Not knowing where to start? Can the marriage be saved, and should you decide to get divorced, what are the real implications for yourself, your spouse, and also for your children? I would like to introduce you to Family Assist, your one-stop access to the best advice and service to help and support you every step of the way. We at Family Assist follow a holistic approach that we call the team-step divorce process. This involves a network of professionals in their fields that each play a vital role and strive to assist our clients in the best way to finalize a divorce with the least amount of trauma to yourself, your spouse, and especially your precious children. Let's explain the process in a few easy steps. When we are approached, we first determine whether the marriage can be saved. In that case, we give you the option to choose marriage counselors in our network for further assistance. If the marriage are irreparable, we assist in the next step by referring you to an internationally accredited and experienced mediator. In essence, mediation is an independent, qualified third person who simply assists the parties in settling their dispute in a humane and amicable way. Both parties have a voice in the mediation. Mediation is a fair, cost-effective, quicker, and more amicable way. The parties are in control and in a space where they can communicate and brainstorm workable solutions. In most cases, this process results in parties who can continue to communicate after divorce, where it is vitally important where children are involved. The mediator will skillfully explain the necessity to focus on the children on the one side and on yourself and the future and the preservation of your respective estates on the other side. The mediator will explain the process and the involvement of a professional team based on your individual case and needs. We work collaboratively with professionals that are pro-mediation and pro-preserving your individual dignity and the dignity of the family as a whole to prevent alienation in the future and promote co-parenting skills. In a basic divorce, the process follows two logical steps. Parenting plan. Protecting our children's rights are often divided into prevention, protection, and participation rights. The right to be heard or the right to express views are some of the manifestations of the participation rights of children, and a huge factor in determining how successful our children can move through the process of separation and divorce. To assist the parents to make an informed decision and formulate the best plan for bringing up their children, we refer the children to a registered voice of the child practitioner. This concept is advised to understand the children and their capacity. The parents are introduced to the practitioner and consent is given by the parents to continue with the process. The professionals will have several sessions with the children and give feedback to both parents in a mediation session, and together as a team consider the crucial elements on the table and custom make a unique parenting plan which includes the needs of the children directly. Memorandum of Understanding deals with all the other issues pertaining to the divorce, including the dissolution of the estate, how assets are to be divided between the partners or disbursed, what and how debt will be distributed or handled, and what will happen to pension fund money, etc. Another concept is maintenance of the children and preserving their way of life with the least amount of disruption. We have specialized financial services planner who assists the clients in mediation and to make sure that they make informed decisions. Once parenting plan and MOU is finalized, the signed document by both parties are forwarded to an attorney on our panel or to your appointed attorney. The attorney will draft and issue the summons and all other legal documents necessary for the divorce. The attorney will also obtain a court date, and one of the parties will have to appear in court to get the divorce finalized. Post-divorce assistance. From our experience, we have seen many clients that are so relieved that the divorce has been finalized, not realizing that there is still a lot to do and attend to. Neglecting these critical things, some of which are court-ordered, can bring huge headaches in future. Our goal at Family Assist is to assist our clients at this crucial stage. We assist in giving you post-divorce checklist of things to remember. We also have professionals in the network like attorneys that can assist in the transfer of immovable property, for example, and in some cases even at a preferential rate. Our professional financial planners We'll also assist you in changing your last will and testament, assist on change on beneficiaries, on insurance policies, and advise on changes to be made to the portfolio if needed. They are also there to assist when it comes to pension fund payouts, where admin can be a headache, and advise on investment option. They are also available to assist in setting up a new budget to ensure your financial future. Support. From start to finish, throughout the process, we have a support network at your disposal to guide you through and also your children through this process. And we understand that breakup and divorce can be one of the most stressful, painful, and scary things you might ever endure in your life. This support can be in the form of life coaches, counselors, or therapists, be it for yourself, your spouse, or for your children. We are here at your service to assist you in any which way you need. Some situations might warrant further professional support and might be crucial for the continuation of a healthy life after divorce and should not be neglected at any stage of the process. If you require any further information or want to book a non-obligation initial meeting, please feel free to contact us on the following details.